Here's the truth about getting rich quick in real estate. It's easy. You just sit on the beach, you sip Mai Tais, maybe smoke a cigar, and your money just pours in your bank account. You don't really have to do anything. I'm kidding, obviously. I want to show you the truth, the actual truth from someone who has made his wealth, made my money, make my active income, my long-term income, my retirement, everything through real estate. This is what I do all day, every day. So I want to show you what it takes to get wealthy through real estate a realistic way. Before I go into the details, make sure to hit that like button right there. Just hit that like button, please. And make sure you stay tuned to the end to hear Maisie's joke of the day. It's a good one this time. And also, if you didn't see in our other videos, we are doing a monthly free Zoom giveaway. Every single month, people that comment on my videos that month. So this video is coming out in February. So every video that comes out in February, watch it, like it, and comment on it. And then I'm going to take one of those comment winners and give them a free Zoom session. We did this a couple times last year and it was awesome. Free hour Zoom with me working on helping you jumpstart your business or improve your business. However it looks in real estate, wherever you're at in your path, I will help you get to the next level. So all you gotta do is comment on this video. So please watch the whole thing, like it, and comment on it. Getting wealthy in real estate is simple, but it's not easy. Let me repeat that just one more time. Getting wealthy, getting rich, making money in real estate is simple, but it's not easy. I'm doing videos and commenting and getting feedback from people all the time, and they say, that seems so simple. Why doesn't everybody do it? Well, it's because it's not easy. It's simple, buy a house at a discount, put money into it, sell it for more than you have in it, keep the rest. Simple. Buy a house, either put 20% down or utilize the BRRRR method, buy a rental property and your mortgage and all your own expenses are $1,000 and you rent it for $1,500, you make $500 a month. Simple, right? It is simple, but it's not easy. There is a lot of time and effort that goes into every single aspect of real estate investing, wholesaling, flipping, renting. All of them require work, they require effort, they require persistence. That's why not that many people do them. You say that, but then kind of reverse that into 90% of millionaires are created through real estate. So there are a lot of people that do it because there's a lot of hardworking, there's a lot of determined people. You're watching this video, so you are taking at least somewhat of a step in that direction. If you're not already investing, that's okay. But if you already are investing, great. Hopefully you're learning from this video and this channel help show you the realistic things that you need to do in order to make money in real estate. You can make a lot of money. You can make a lot of money in the short term. You can make a lot of money in the long term. You can make a lot of money in between. You just need to understand that it is not easy. It takes a lot of work. You need to connect with the right people. You need to join your local real estate investing Facebook groups and meetups and whatever the heck else your specific market is doing. You need to get connected with your local market. Because if you get connected with your local market, if you are upping your local Rolodex, then you're gonna know more contractors by meeting more people and going to these clubs. You're gonna know more bankers. You're gonna know more hard money lenders. You're gonna meet private money lenders. You're gonna meet buyers to create your buyers list if you're gonna wholesale. You need to put yourself out there. It's not easy. Not everybody loves to go to meetings. Not everybody loves to go talk to strangers, but guess what? That's what you need to do if you want to be successful. You need to get yourself out there, because if you're trying to go somewhere special, somewhere maybe no one in your family's been before, somewhere that you kind of only dreamed of, you're going to have to do things that aren't comfortable along the way. That whole saying that I'm probably going to mess up is, change and amazing things happen on the fringe of comfort. If you're outside your comfort level, that is okay. And part of that is going out and meeting people in your local market, whatever market you're going to invest in. The other part of that is gaining the knowledge. Those are kind of the two things you need to do when you're started investing in real estate, is you need to gain the knowledge and you need to make connections. So there's kind of how you make some connections, put yourself out there. Facebook groups, local real estate investing meetups, and any other types of investors that are meeting in your area. Get those connections, but then also you need to get a base level of education that you need to have a thirst for more and more education. I know a decent amount about real estate investing, but I don't know near anywhere probably what I should know. I'm always willing and wanting to learn more. I'm always listening to an audiobook or two. I'm always checking out other people's YouTubes, listening to their podcasts. You have to get a basis of knowledge, which you get on this channel here, as well as other great channels out there, but we do give you a basis of knowledge. And then you need to know that you can dig in and try to get more knowledge. You never need to be satisfied with the knowledge you have. You need to always be reaching out, watching other videos, reaching out to other people, watching other podcasts, reading more books. You need to continue to feed that need for knowledge. You need to continue to push and always want more. Because if you don't do either of those two things, if you're not really wanting to put yourself out there, if you're not really willing to invest in your community and get to know people, and you're not really wanting to learn, guess what? You're going to be exactly where you are now if you're not investing in real estate. If you're investing in real estate, fist pump, that's awesome. But if you're not, which I know our channel is mainly newer real estate investors, if you're not, those are what you have to do. I'm telling you exactly what to do. Now, you're not going to become wealthy tomorrow because of it, but you will become wealthy if you take those two things to heart and start to do them and start to get traction and start to one step forward, half a step forward, 2 steps forward, and start to build some momentum. You will become wealthy, because the only failed real estate investors that I've ever met are the ones that quit. I know a ton of very successful real estate investors that their journey's been like this. You hit rock bottom, you go up and down, but you will be successful if you do this long enough and are always willing to connect with people in your market, and you're always willing to have this thirst and growth for knowledge. And kind of the last part of this is you need to understand it's not going to happen overnight. You need to have patience. Even getting a rental property with the BRRRR method, buy, rehab, rent, refinance, scale, which video up here goes into detail of what all that means. Even that will take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months, and that's just buying one rental property. That's a way to create wealth, is rental properties. Even wholesaling a house is going to take 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, maybe a couple months, and you only might make $500 or $2,000. Well, shoot, you might make 50 grand, but just understand that things are a process and it takes time. And flipping houses is the same way. You can get a big chunk of money, but most people can only do 1 or 2 a year because they have a full-time job and their money resources and things are somewhat limited. So just understand it takes time. Be okay with that. Know that getting wealthy in real estate is a long play. It's a long game. It's not a short, quick sprint. It's a marathon. Making 5 grand on a wholesale, that's a quick little sprint. Making 25 grand on a flip, that's nice, but that's not wealth, guys and gals. You got to keep doing that. If you want to create this long-term wealth, these long-term systems where somebody's flipping properties for you while you're on the beach sipping Mai Tais, or somebody is buying rentals or managing your rental portfolio that you've built up while you're sitting on the beach smoking a cigar. However that looks for you, it's going to take time to get there. It's worth it, I promise. I'm not nearly satisfied where I am right now. I want to keep growing, keep getting better, both as a business owner, as a real estate investor, as a person. Never being satisfied is a good thing. You just need to understand that it takes time. It's worth it, I promise. So stay focused, make the connections, gain the knowledge, and have the patience that it does take time. In the end, it's worth it. Here's Maisie's joke of the day. How many apples grow on a tree? All of them. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. That was a killer dad joke there, so make sure to give us a subscribe and a like and a comment if you haven't. Catch you on the next one.